This is the Super Mario Nintendo Switch carry case. It is made by PDP Gaming and it is an official Nintendo licensed product. Now this carry case is compatible with all the Switches. You've got the normal Nintendo Switch, you got the Nintendo Switch Lite, and you got the latest version Nintendo Switch OLED model. Now what this is supposed to hold is it holds the dock, the HDMI cable, it holds the Nintendo Switch or Nintendo Switch Lite console, it holds the Pro controller, and of course it also holds the AC adapter. Now just looking at some of the features of this carry case, it has a semi-hard shell construction. So if I just push this in, although it does go in slightly, this out here it is quite hard. It has detachable slim travel case. What it's talking about is this here, so you could just take the Nintendo Switch console alone around with you. But of course you won't have any charger to take in here. This is not big enough for the charger. It has removable wrist straps, adjustable padded shoulder strap, interchangeable accessory storage dividers, and it has a fleece interior lining. Now the top here you have the strap which says PDP Gaming along it, and if I just feel the strap, it feels very smooth, nice, and even in my hand it's a nice grip in my hand, it's a nice feeling. So now let's take this cover off. Well, now what I've noticed straight away, which I couldn't feel when the cover was on, is that this material here at the back is a bit different. It's a fabric material. It feels really nice and it feels very good quality. And even if I just look at the stitching going around, these details are very important. The stitching is almost perfect along here and along there, and it looks really nice. Now if I just remove this strap, and let's firstly talk about what we have here. Now this is of course the Nintendo Switch console carry case. The design on the outside has the M for Mario, and it's got a picture of Mario stored like this. Now the material at the top is a hard material. It's this reflective material, and if I press it in, it is quite hard. So this will definitely protect the console. Now on the back you have the fabric. Although this is fabric, underneath is not fabric. Underneath is again the hard shell. Now on the side here, where the zip goes all the way around, there is this covering here to cover the teeth, and I think this is quite a nice design to add because it makes the case look very smooth. Over here you have the handle to open. Now inside it, this is what we have. So firstly we'll just have a look at this. This is the strap. The strap would go on here, and then you have the strap just to hold the console like this, so it's more secure in your hand. Now inside we have this little flap here. This here, like I said on the box, it's got like a fleece lining. It's really nice and smooth to touch. It's even more smoother than the fabric on the outside of the case. In here it says Nintendo Switch, looks really nice. The console would go in here, and then this flap would come over, and there's a bit of a velcro here which would then attach onto here to keep it more secure. This little pocket here which has like a mesh design on it, this would be to put in games, although I'm not sure how many games you will be able to put in here. But overall this case is quite strong, it's quite hard, and it's nice and small. The way this case just sits at the top is very simple. Just let go and it's held together by magnets. Although the magnets are not that strong, because if I hold just this case and I do this, although it's empty, the bottom is falling off, so you got to be very careful with this. Now looking at the design of the remaining of the carry case, up here there's some fabric which is a nice touch. On here we have the hard shell. Although this hard shell is easy to push in, I just think this is because of the surface area. It's larger than the console carry case. At the bottom here you have this mesh design, and the way it's designed is it's like a non-slip, so if you put it on any surface it's not going to slip very easily. And then we just have the zip going all the way around, which is the same design as on the console holder. Again the teeth are covered, which I really like. One thing I am disappointed about is the design here, which is exactly the same as the design on the console carry case. I think they should have been a bit more creative and possibly made him stand in a different way or have a different design on here. I just think it would have looked a lot better, but the fact that they've just done the same print on both, I just don't really like that. Now let's just open this up to see what you have inside. So there's two zips either side. The first thing we have in here is the shoulder strap, and this just links on the outside here, on the outside on this side here. So you guys know how this works, so I'm not going to say much about it, just that there's a bit of a mesh here which is again a non-slip, so if you put it on your shoulder it's going to have a good grip on there. And in here you have all these different dividers. Now You get 4 of these dividers. You get 2 small and 2 larger dividers which have velcro on either side, and they are very strong. If you put them together, it takes a bit of force to take apart. And if I look on the inside here, this material all the way around is like it said on the box. It is the fleece touch material, and here we have again a mesh pocket which is bigger than what we have inside the carry case. Now this will carry a lot more games. How you want to divide this from inside, absolutely up to you. But if you just decide not to use them at all and just want to fit all accessories in there, they can fit in. Whether there'll be damage to them when you're traveling, there could be. I would say it's safer to use these velcro dividers, so then your device is protected and your accessories are all protected. Now you can divide this however you want. It's up to you. You guys are probably more creative than me and you'll know how to do this. But that is it. That's all you get in here. Thanks for watching this unboxing, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.